Now I'm at the junction. This is the way that I would like to hike towards the east. And when you see this big boulder in the trail, you'll know coming from that way that you're near the entrance of the trail. I've just come from the Dutchman's Middle Trail, and there's a trail off the wash. I'm going to trim some of these cat's claw out of here first. Okay, I cleared away some of that cat's claw. Now we have to go down across to the other side of the wash. Nice and cool, shady area here. I like it a lot. Just past that big rock is where the Dutchman's Middle Trail is. I'm about 3,080 foot above sea level, and the trip odometer says 260.3. So I've probably gone about 4 miles since leaving the Peralta trailhead. I'm headed down. My next landmark will be the Ely Anderson Trail. Trail leaves the wash over to the right here. I'm bordering on the Bluff Springs Mountain right there. There's a trail that leads up there. We haven't come to it yet. This is from where I've just come. I'm at about 3,000 foot elevation. My trip odometer 260.9, and I'm at the junction of the Ely Anderson Trail. When you see this large fireplace cairn, the trail meanders up there and gets you to the top of Bluff Springs Mountain. And we should be about 50 yards or so away from the Dutchman's Trail junction. Should just be right up here in the bushes somewhere. We'll have to cross the wash. All right, here we are. Trail maintenance needs to be done on the Dutchman's Trail. I finally reached the Dutchman's Trail. So the Dutchman's Trail heads off that way. Bluff Springs behind me, and then the Dutchman's Trail goes south. That's the part I'm going to be working on as soon as I take a break.